Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this InShot smooth transitions tutorial. In part 1, we built the basic sequence using swing animations, overlays, and blur. And if you haven't seen part 1 yet, you can check it out by clicking the link in the descriptions. Now we were going to level it up by adding advanced overlays and repetitions effects. So let's get into it. First, just export the video that you edited in part 1. Just tap on export. And next, just go back to your projects like this. And then just import the exported video as a PIP or picture in picture. Just go to PIP. Like this. Next, just keep only the first clips and place it as an overlay over the original first clip. Like this. And then just add a keyframes at the beginning and at the end of this overlay. Like this. And then at the last keyframe, just zoom in and then just reduce the opacity to 0. Now just import the same exported video again, but this time make it as your main clip. Like this. And then just place it at the end of your timeline like this. And this will create a smooth repetitions effects. And then just duplicate the overlay that you just made. This one, just duplicate it. And then just place it on top the new main clip for extra impact. Like this. And then just play it back and you will see a looping advanced versions of the swing transition that looks much more dynamic and aesthetic like this. And that's a wrap for part 2. You have just created a clean, professional looking, smooth transitions edit in InShot using overlays, zooms, and repetitions. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!